Hello everyone, this is a video that will show you how to enable your crypto as collateral on the Definer's HODLer Market. So as you can see here, we're looking at the dashboard, the HODLer Market dashboard, and you'll see the behavior of the different markets, of the totality of all the markets, and the different HODLer markets down here. So to prepare to take out a loan and the HODLer market of your preference, you first need to enable your crypto asset as collateral. These are over-collateralized loans, and you have to enable that. So first, we can go to any HODLer market. In this case, I'm going to come down, scroll down, and go to HODLer market number 25. And click on it, and after you see all the factors here and the properties of this market, I want to scroll down, and then I will go to my collateral asset, in this case the FIN token, right? So if I go to the FIN token and go to the borrowing power right here, which is the amount that I have down here in the borrowing power, it says it's at 0. So if I want to try to borrow an asset, I have no borrowing power because I don't have this enabled as collateral, using my FIN tokens in this particular market as collateral to borrow against it, let's say other stables. If I go back to the market, market number 25, if I want to borrow, let's say USDT, which there is a bit of value in there, about $20, if I want to borrow USDT, if I click on borrow, what happens is I need to deposit an asset and set it as collateral. In the previous video, we showed you how to deposit an asset into the HODLer market. So now, since it's there, now we have to go to provide now, and then this will take you to the portfolio. As we said in the previous video, you go to your portfolio and go to HODLer markets and select the particular market number 25 in this case, which is where your FIN tokens are. So now that we're down here in your deposits, what you will do is you will get to this toggle right here. You're gonna enable this particular crypto asset as collateral. The 1,000 FIN tokens that we have deposited, or about $100 worth of it in this market, you can enable it as collateral to borrow, in this case USDT. So there are two ways to get to this point, and we talked about the portfolio, right, and going to the HODLer market, and then the other way, which was going to your deposits, right, when we covered the borrow aspect of that particular stablecoin in USDT. So once you're here, you just have to enable it as collateral, toggle on. So it will give you this pop-up window, so which each asset used as collateral increases your borrowing limit. So remember that for this particular asset in this market, you will have a borrowing power proportionate to the collateral factor of that asset. In this case, it's about 40%. So 40, as you see here, 40% is about $40 of $100, or 40% of $100 is $40. So this is correct right here. We're going to use FIN as collateral, and then you'll accept the fees, confirm, and now we just wait for it to be enabled as a collateral. So the collateral has been successfully opened. So now we can check here. If you click on the asset right here for FIN, you will see, if you scroll down, that the borrowing power has increased your borrowing power to $40. So that means that you can use those $40 to borrow other assets in that market. So if we go back to market number 25, right here, we can come down and remember that the Fin token, as you can come here, click on Fin, just to confirm your borrowing power is $40 and you have selected it and enabled it. So now it's time to take out a loan. Remember to enable your crypto asset as collateral to be able to take out a loan. So go to your favorite HODLer market to get started.